What's up, guys? If you're wheeling your 4Runner or GX and you care about protecting your vehicle, this video is for you.
Hey guys, this is Adam at RSG Offroad. Today we're going to be talking about sliders and how they're not all built the same and focusing on our new design for our rock sliders. When it comes down to off-roading or just general protection of your 4Runner or GX, we're going to talk about and show you why rock sliders are going to be a better choice than just footsteps. We wanted to change some things on them to make them actually even better. So our original design came with a full top plate that laid across the entire inner and outer rail. It had a riveted on logo. The riveted on logo would cause rust, the rivets would fail, things like that. So we didn't like that we had a quality failure in that product or anything that would really disappoint the customer. So we then originally moved to our second generation slider, which had the logo RSG in the middle in between the front door and the rear door. And then we turned the ovals We turned the back of the ovals to a 3 design like this, 3 holes. And with that, we were able to at least eliminate the logo. Now, a lot of issues we were still having was dirt and salt would get caught between the rail and the top plate on our original design. A lot of customers asked us to change that. So what we did was we took that customer feedback. We said, how can we make this a better product and also one of the most rugged, coolest looking products out there? So we were originally going to go with the original top plate, modify that into a design like the new one, but then we found out it would be a lot better if we could make our tubing all the same size, because then we can get more uniform structure out of it. And then we could actually use these ovals that we put into our top plates, turn them sideways, and get more use out of our grip top plate essentially, and a better look because we're able to slant everything back with our new tube design. So we used to create the sliders in HREW and DOM. So HREW is essentially a flat plate of steel. They roll into a tube and weld it together. So DOM, what they do is they take that flat plate of steel, weld it together, and then they draw it over mandrel. DOM, drawn over mandrel. When they draw it over mandrel, it uniformly forms it all together so you don't have a weak point or a seam in that tubing. Now, our goal is to make the best product we absolutely can possible without compromising. So what we did on these new sliders is we came up with top plates. We couldn't use a full form top plate anymore because we decided to make all the tubes uniform. So these are all uniform DOM all the way to the mounting plate. The second thing we were able to do in making this design is create our top plates so that way every other model, say it's a Tacoma or anything longer, will actually have all the same size top plates. So every top plate in every vehicle, every thing we use or build is going to have the same exact top plates, which really helps production and cut costs, which then we can pass down to you. We also did now, as we changed over to more modern machinery in the past 2 years, everything is now laser cut. It's all precision welded, and now to essentially blend the old design with the new design, since our old design had the shield on the back with our logo that was riveted on, we actually took that same logo and put it in the back here. So you have the benefit of our second generation design with the 3 holes on the back where everybody usually steps, because it's got a little more surface area on it. You can get to your roof rack. And then we were able to put the RSG logo back here at the same angle our old badge used to sit. The overview of our new design. So our new design still has welded top plates. We did this webbing to allow water to go through them, sand, rock, salt, all that. We wanted to make sure you could actually clean these a lot better. Welded on top plates. A lot of companies are starting to move towards a top plate with fasteners, screws, machine bolts, stuff like that. We wanted to stay with welded on top plates. It's more durable. It does cost more to put on top plates that way, but we wanted to create the best product possible. So that is our biggest thing. Our mounting plates are 1/4 inch. A lot of companies use a 3/16 inch mounting plate, so we rolled with 1/4 inch. We wanted it to be a stronger product and to last through a lot more abuse than other competitors. So that is the main overview of our product. We put a lot of time and effort into creating this, and we hope that everyone loves it.
We appreciate you guys watching. Leave your questions down in the comments, and we'll see you guys out on the trail. Woohoo!